Introducing a simple, refreshing twist to your daily routine that could benefit your heart: lemon juice. This bright and zesty beverage is not just a flavor enhancer but also a powerhouse of health benefits, particularly for supporting heart health and managing blood pressure. Let's explore why incorporating a glass of lemon juice into your daily regimen could be a great choice for maintaining a healthy cardiovascular system. Why lemon juice? Lemons are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and other vital nutrients that promote overall health. They are also low in calories and rich in flavonoids, which are known for their antioxidant properties. These components make lemon juice an excellent option for those focusing on heart health. Key benefits for your heart: supports healthy blood pressure. Lemon juice can help improve blood vessel function by increasing flexibility and reducing stiffness, which helps control blood pressure. The high vitamin C content also aids in strengthening the capillaries and combating arterial stiffness. Helps clear clogged arteries. The antioxidants in lemon juice help reduce cholesterol levels and prevent the oxidation process that leads to plaque formation in the arteries. Regular intake can help keep the arteries clear of buildup, promoting better blood flow. Enhances overall cardiovascular health. Lemon juice's natural properties help in maintaining a healthy heart by reducing risk factors associated with heart disease, such as high cholesterol and hypertension. Incorporating lemon juice into your diet. Adding lemon juice to your daily routine is easy and versatile. Morning ritual: start your day with a glass of warm water mixed with the juice of half a lemon. This not only hydrates but also helps kickstart your metabolism and supports heart health. As a dressing, use lemon juice in salads as a dressing instead of heavy, processed alternatives. It's refreshing, adds a burst of flavor, and is better for your heart. Flavor enhancer: add lemon juice to your meals as a flavor enhancer. It's particularly good with fish, vegetables, and grains. A few tips. Consistency is key. For the best results, make lemon juice a regular part of your daily diet. Fresh is best. Use fresh lemons rather than bottled lemon juice to avoid preservatives and added sugars. Stay hydrated. Lemon juice is acidic, so balance its consumption with plenty of water throughout the day. By making lemon juice a part of your daily routine, you're not just enjoying a refreshing drink. You're also taking a proactive step towards better heart health. Simple, effective, and delicious lemon juice is a wonderful ally in maintaining cardiovascular wellness. Cheers to your heart health.